Hi, welcome back. This is Keith All, and we're going to continue on editing our one-page website. We are working on the mobile editing part of it now. We last left off of editing this button right here, and towards the end I was kind of having a little bit difficulty doing it, but anyways, I found out how to truly edit this. So once you're in the mobile view of this website, let's first edit this box. This little box right here is a box element that has this round circle. So once you can grab a hold of it, it shows that you have it selected, the box, and now just click on the pencil icon, click on that, and this will pop up. And the best way to edit it, if you scroll all the way down here and you see this property called lateral spacing. So each one of these have these up and down arrows where you can increase or decrease the size of it. And watch what happens when I just increase the size of this. You can see that it's decreasing the size of this box element, basically left and right. It's putting padding on the left here and on the right side of here. So if I go down, it's going to have less of a arrow. So, and you could also adjust it this way. So see what's happening? It's putting a lot of space on the left and right side of this box element. So we just want to decrease it and get it to 8. Let's bring this up to 8. And that's basically how you do that. Again, the top and bottom, if you look at top, what it's doing, it's just the more space that you have, it's just basically it's increasing the space between the element that's directly above it, and it's also the bottom portion of it is putting space between the bottom of this element, which is the box element, and then the next element below that. So that's what that is. So let's bring this back down to 60. And so that's how you do that. So the lateral spacing property, I set it to be the left and right to be 8. And the top and bottom are set to 60 and 50. So we'll do that. Now let's go back to the actual finished website, the mobile editing portion of it, and let's see how this looks. So right now we got this. So what we want to do now is bring this box element down below everything else, or put it another way, we want to put these elements above this. So let's go over here. Let's do this, and or this, let's see, best way to do this text. So what you want to do is you want to move the box element that contains all these other elements here, which is a text element and this button and stuff like that. So you want to make sure you select that box element, and once you do that, you want to click on Move Up, and what it does, it moves everything above this, because this box element, like I said, once you are able to select it, you have to play around with it. It's a fine-tuning thing, and again, this box element contains this text element, and this button element here. So that's how that works. So now let's adjust the size of the box element. Let's reselect it. Let's go over here, select it over here, And let's see what the size of that is. So let's see, the size is set at 548. Okay, let's go over here. $548, $328, and $58. So, and $50. It looks like everything's set proportionally to the same thing here. So let's go back over here. Okay, so now let's select this text element here. Let's go back to the finished website and let's select this, edit, and let's see, general settings, let's see what's underneath there. Size on mobile 44. It's all set and it's centered, which is what we want. Let's go here. Let's see what's under advanced. Let's match these up here. So there, let's scroll down here. Let's go to the advanced property. Scroll here. Let's match everything up. So it's set to all 5s, and then on top and bottom is 40 and 15. And it's all the same here. So that's that. Now let's select the next text element. Let's go back over here. Let's see, so this is the text element, the advanced property. It looks like it's all set to 5, and the bottom property is set to 15. So let's do this, and it looks like it's already set properly there. Let's see what other properties, general settings. The size on mobile is 18. The size on mobile is the actual text size. So if you increase it, see what it's doing. It's just increasing the text size on the mobile only. So 18. Set to 18. Let's go back over here. General settings, yeah, it's set to 18, so we're fine there. So we're okay with that. And now let's edit this button. Let's make sure all the settings are set properly. So let's go over to our site that we're editing. I'm going to select the button. Okay, let's see what the properties are. Okay, general colors, everything's set here. Let's see, headline. Let's see what we got here. So we got Lotto Black 16. Everything's set to properly there. So what the headline is basically the headline that you see here, which is get started with this icon. So everything's set properly there. There's no sub headline, which is if we put something here, that means it would appear below this get started. And let's see what advanced, let's see if that's all set properly. Let's go over here. Let's see, advanced. Everything is set to 5, so everything looks okay there. Let's go over here. Everything's fine. So let's see on here. Okay, so it looks like right now this first panel here that you see here is all set to be okay. Now we're going to go on to the next panel right below it and start making adjustments to that. So on our next video, we'll go ahead and edit the next panel. But remember, let's go back here. Let's select the desktop view, editing, and let's save our changes. Just give it a few seconds to load up. Okay, let's go over here, top right. Let's click on Save. Let's click on That's Fine. And what that's doing is it's going to publish your changes. So let's click on Close. Okay, so on our next video, we'll start making the mobile edits to our next panel, which is listed below here. And so I want to thank you for stopping by today. And again, I'll see you on the next video. Bye now.